Welcome to my channel. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on recipes. Hey guys, if you're looking for an easy, boozy, no-bake treat to take to your next foray, then look no further than these Midnight Rum Balls. Oreo cookies are the base, and there are so many varieties of Oreos nowadays that the possibilities are endless. Let's get into it. For our ingredients, we have our Oreos, confectioner sugar, cocoa powder, rum, corn syrup, and to cover our rum balls, I like to use chocolate sprinkles, and we also have the classic granulated sugar on the side. Well, let's start off by crushing our Oreos in a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a large Ziploc bag and beat it with a rolling pin or whatever you have on hand until they resemble fine crumbs. I used the double stuffed Oreos, and it was about 17 Oreos for me to get to 8.5 ounces, which the recipe calls for. So once our Oreos are nice and fine, we're going to add to that our cocoa powder and confectioner sugar and mix it up until it's combined. Then we'll add in our rum, the star of the show, along with our corn syrup until the mixture is nice and smooth. The mixture is actually going to be pretty runny once you're finished, but don't be alarmed. I like to place my mixture in the refrigerator so it can chill and firm up a little bit before I start to scoop it. It just makes it a little bit easier, so that's what I've done here. I'm going to use a cookie scoop, and I'm going to portion them into small balls and roll each one in either the granulated sugar or chocolate sprinkles. You could also use nuts. There are a variety of toppings you could use on the outside, so feel free to use your own creativity. I also find that mini cupcake liners are perfect for holding rum balls. They just make it so convenient for your guests to take 1 or 3. No judging over here. I feel like most people, when they think of rum balls, they think of like Christmas or the holidays, but I mean, I love chocolate, I love rum, so why not have them all year? I mean, I honestly feel like they're just synonymous with Jell-O shots. They just go hand in hand. I said no judging, right? Finally done rolling. Would you look at these beauties? Now, rum balls are best if you let them mellow out, so let them stay in the fridge overnight before you serve them to your guests. So this is perfect if you want to make something that can be done in advance. That way the rum's not too strong, but I don't mind it. I hope you enjoyed this quick treat. If you come up with any variations, please let me know. I can't wait to hear all about them. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Let's bake again soon.